So let's try them. So let's try them all. Comes in a nice little 8-ounce bottle, 237 milliliters. It smells really good. I love the strawberry the most. It's like strawberry milk. Yeah, that one's my favorite. That is so good. It's got the perfect amount of strawberry sweetness, like the strawberry squeeze stuff that you mix in milk. Venture plus vanilla. Rip that baby open. It's got a nice warm vanilla look to it. Not too thick, not too thin. That one is kind of like vanilla cake. That's what it makes me think of. More than ice cream, it's more like the cake frosting flavor. Last but not least, chocolate. A fan favorite. Nice dark brown. Beautiful. That one is like a mix of chocolate milk and hot cocoa. That would be how you explain this.